So we are with a family in Gurugram, and let us talk to them and see what all they have to face while they stay in Gurugram and what are the issues that they want the future government to address. So we have Ved Prakash ji with us, who was in the cabinet secretariat. Let us talk to him. Sir, what all do you face? Right now, behind you, we can see a very not a good view.
No, we moved here about 10 years back and we were very happy, when we moved here from Delhi because it used to be very nice, neat and clean. But later now we are finding that during the few years, this has become a dump garbage, all around our house, and even the garbage is thrown up to this footpath also, you see. And it has become so difficult that we cannot stand in our balconies or just cannot open the windows also, you see. It is really so disgusting that sometimes we feel should we move from here. It's very upsetting. Government should either fence this area after getting the garbage removed or put some boards, so that this government can ensure that this garbage is not dumped here. And then they should take the fear psychosis they should create that nobody should dare to dump on the roads, even in Delhi, in Gurgaon itself. When we talk of
What is
small,
your age, sir, if I may
my
ask?
age is 78 years now.
78 years.
Yes.
So, do you face any difficulty, health-related difficulties
Certainly,
because of?
we're facing these problems. This dirt and garbage has become a really problem for us. Infectious. My grandchildren are there also sometimes. So the result has come that we have to remain inside the house most of the time because of this garbage and others. And when it rains, it becomes so horrible even that it is having a foul smell and this dirt. And now it has become a mount. And there is no fear. If whosoever come, they can dump anywhere they feel like across our society. We are just living in the close house society. The name is Sector 50.
So we have Mr. Sharma's daughter-in-law with us, whose name is Parul. Parul, uh, can you show us the view right now? What do you see here right now?
So what happened was that initially when we moved in here, this whole area was green. There were like green patches everywhere, and that was primarily the reason of buying a property here. But as time progressed, garbage dumping started on one side of the road, and the Banjaras, they started making their shanties here. And from 1 to 10, and now I think there would be about 50. And they don't have any sanitation facilities there. They defecate and open across the road, which initially started as a defecation ground for them, has now also become a garbage dumping ground. So whatever garbage they want to dump, they throw it there. And now what we see is that like truckloads of garbage, debris, waste, which is getting dumped across the road. What we fear now.
Some of the water, which is
Yes, waterlogging is because all the drains are covered by the garbage. Because the garbage is dumped initially on the roadside and then it goes further ahead. That some tractors which find it convenient, they dump it on the roadside. The ones which are like still bigger in size, they take the garbage inside. This has been
Is this
repeatedly.
the amount of water that gets collected on the roadside when it rains?
Oh, this whole road becomes a river. So we practically think sometimes we need a boat rather than a car to ride on this road. Golf course extension, which is the southern peripheral road, is completely in a state of mess right now because there's banjaras and rampant garbage dumping all over, starting from Ghata to all the way to the Vatika Chowk. So this is a Bandwari in making. And if we don't do something soon, we're going to have mountains of garbage right across our houses.
You have elderly parents at
Elderly
home.
parents, they have stopped opening their windows. They don't sit on that side of the road in the balconies, so the balconies are useless. We have stopped rolling our blinds up because what we see early morning is people defecating in the open, and in the night there are trucks and trucks coming and unloading their garbage. So this is the view that we get from our apartment.
So on this road that we see right now, is there a traffic jam on this road?
Yes, because garbage is covering the drains, the water comes on the roads are not fit enough for driving, so the cars are practically one lane left for the car to pass by. So there is always a jam on the golf course extension whenever it rains, both sides.
If I ask you what are the issues in one word each, what are the issues that you want the government to address?
Rampant garbage dumping, it should stop. There should be heavy fines and there should be police monitoring this road to catch the people who are doing it. Fencing of the areas which have become the target of these people who are using these patches of lands in between buildings to dump their garbage. There has to be some monitoring on this road throughout. The mushrooming of the banjaras, that's another issue that they need to address. And there have to be some drains, and the drains need to be cleaned. And if the drains are not clean, the water obviously comes on the roads and there is traffic jam. So, net, this is like not a civilized living at all.
When you were shifting to Gurgaon, what was that you imagined in your...
We imagine we're moving to a millennium city, which is going to be like developed from all standpoints, but this is almost like living in a slum. Living conditions that we're being projected to. We pay high taxes. We are not getting any benefit out of it.
So these are the issues that the residents of Gurugram want the government, which will be coming, to address. Nivriti Mohan, News 9.